Welcome to the Practice 1A tutorial for opening a drawing for AutoCAD 2020. The estimated time to complete this is 5 minutes. Obviously, it'll take a little longer than that from explaining it as I work through the example problem or through the practice assignment. The objective is to open and close existing drawings and switch between open drawings. So here it says in the practice, you will use the select file dialog box to open two existing files and then view them. As shown in the diagram below, basically. So first thing we're going to do is in the quick access toolbar, we're going to click open. So the quick access toolbar is up here at the top. Right here, we're going to hit open. It then tells us to, if you are in the Start tab in this window, open Files in the Create tab. In the Select File dialog box, navigate to and open the practice files. In the name area, select Building Rock.dwg and click Open. So Building Rock DWG, click Open. As far as before we get into that point, I already opened these files and AutoCAD knows where to go to search for them. You may have to access these, and depending on where you have them stored at. For example, with my classes, I have them stored in Google Drive, and the students are supposed to download them onto their computer or flash drive. If you're downloading these directly from the website link given in Ascent textbook, they may place them directly in your Windows C drive here. So if I click that, you'll see that I have downloaded AutoCAD 2020 Essentials practice files. That's where the website will take you, or that's where the website will download the folders to. So when I first downloaded these files, this is where it went. I copied them and moved them to another location, and you can do that as well. Wherever AutoCAD, whatever file you open last, location is where that AutoCAD will always revert back to. So if I go back to, let's see here, if I go back to, well, I don't see it now. Let me, so one way to do it is hit open up here at the top. It takes you to that location. Also, you can hit the open files tab right here as well. So I'll do it from this location here within the Start tab. Takes me back to my AutoCAD practice files. Notice I have it saved under my drive and Google Drive through my files locations, and that's basically where I have them placed at. It tells me that I should click on Building Rock.dwg. So Building Rock.dwg is right here. I'll click Open. Step 3 says start the Open command again in the Select File dialog box. In the name area, select Building Side.dwg and click Open. So now I'll go up here is the Open and the Quick Access toolbar up at the top. We're supposed to open Building Side. Right there. I'll click Open. And notice that it'll actually open up a separate tab for that individual file. So you still got the Start tab. That's always going to be there. This is kind of the quick access area where you can take a look at. You can start a new drawing from scratch. You can open existing files. You can get more templates online, recent files that you may have opened, notifications from AutoCAD, and this right here for my class, we're not going to use, but you can connect to online accounts through AutoCAD and sync your files to maybe another person, for example. But as you open files, it'll open a separate tab so you can work simultaneously on two different projects if you choose to do so. Step 4 says in the File tab bar, in addition to the Start tab, the names of both drawings files display as tabs as shown in Figure 1-46. So basically, I already pointed that out. Whatever the name of the file you open will show up in the tab here. We're going for step 5. We're going to expand the application menu. Application menu is on the top left corner here with this big A, and click Open Documents. The two files that you have open are listed and shown in Figure 1-47. So I click the application button, and right here you can see these are the most recent documents that I opened. Here are some other files that I opened from some students that I graded their projects earlier, but with regard to this presentation, these are the two most recent files. So that's a helpful place to go instead of going through all the file locations trying to download the folder. If you know it's an existing file that you have recently opened, it'll show up right here. It says in the application menu in the open documents list, select building rock UWG. It becomes an active drawing. So there, like this, click it from there. It becomes the active drawing now. It doesn't reload it, just opens it up as the active drawing side of things. In the file tabs bar, select building side. It becomes the active drawing. Okay. Press Control plus Home. The Start tab is active, and the initial Start window displays. So on the keyboard, I'll hold Control, and then I'll press the Home key on my keyboard as well, and it automatically takes you to the Start tab. That's a shortcut. Step 9 says in the Start window in the Recent Documents area, select Building Side to make it active. So right here, we already have it open. If I click it, it just moves me over to that tab. It doesn't reload it. In the File tabs bar, right-click in the Building Side tab and close all. If prompted to save changes, click No. This closes all the open drawings, and the initial Start window displays again. So we're going to right-click here. We're going to choose Close All, and it brings me back to my Start tab. And since I did not make any changes to the drawings, it did not prompt me to make any changes. And if it were to prompt you, make sure you click No. And that finishes the assignment for practice 1A.